masawang ligis ang kinayam na yan. Yung digay gad na gadya ko. Mapaligis talaga.
Mapahili ka man sinot kaya.
Ha?
Dilipat mo sa ano
Sa di nakalayo.
Ade. Di ang pili na ano sa inot ha.
Sir.
Matabang sa inot ha.
Madulog.
Daya.
Sometimes people would think, right, why is an adult playing games on a computer or a console or a whatever? I mean, you know, there are people that I know who have consoles, and I just, at your age, you're still playing, and then, you know, here I am playing. So, what can I say?
Dumag tama lusot dalit sa na sinagyan tayo ang ayam.
I think it's more of a how to say this, giving in to your inner child. I mean, I remember that inner child thingy, which became a meme a couple of months ago on the internet. But then again, you know, adults would still, I mean, there would always be a kid in us, I guess. Plus, I also mentioned a long time ago that adults need, especially for aging, if you're, you know, going older, you need something to stimulate your brain, diba?
Yes, that's right. Oh, it's really good for our cognitive development.
Kalina ko ayam mo ya.
Yeah, if you can play a game or two. My tatay would play solitaire. My lolo used to play chess. I mean, you know, these are still games whether you like it or not. It's just that ours is probably more demanding. Ours probably would take more time, like days and days and days, or even months to finish, or more competitive.
That's right.
Anyway, before I finally they're starting to fade away.
Madali pagatukad. Madali pagatukad.
Anyway, it is now 8:31. Good evening again, folks. My name is Dennis.
This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent. This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, maker of world-class quality Pride detergent.
Yang Emerald. Ini sama ko ini.
Ayan.
Hanggang doon sa baba.
Pero pag dinaning mga gano'ng sasakyan, ilusot ko na.
Ha?
Pag dinang gano'ng mga katagpo, ilusot na niya.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Ah, yung man kaya driver mo naman.
Oo. Ano pa doon? Oo, iba ang ano.
O yan, ano, ang manibilan nyo. No.
Pati tag doon. Ang kalsada doon kami nayang. Kaya di ang problema. Uy, puro just estimated ang ano.
Oo.
Puro ag kasi naglada.
Sa day na, puro papa nakapark.
Oo.
Sabi sa sentro.
Eh, hindi pa to. Magdagdag ka pa rin duwa.
Iyo.
Oo.
Nadawin
One lane
yan.
pa lang. One lane pa lang yan. Oo. Tama pa yun. One lane pa lang.